Welcome to another fun and exciting mission at my dad's house. Today, I think my brother Dave will be over. So we'll be seeing him. I want you to join us as we go through, I think we're going through the parents' clothing and getting rid of stuff there. Claw might show up, I'm not too sure. So that's the plan for today. I want you to join me. How about the cat? Cat, do you want to go, Katniss? Do you want to go? Sure you do. Huh? We're back live now. We lost the top of the mic. Dude, these wireless mics kind of suck. Like, as far as using them. I don't know how Tiki does it. It doesn't lose the windscreens. Because, man, I've lost 2 windscreens already. I think Dave will be in a good mood. We'll talk to him. Not too much going on today in my head. It's the closets today. So, my brother Dave's here. He's in another room. We're going through and we're packing stuff up. We're here. This closet's pretty much cleaned out. We're keeping anything that says like Niners or NASCAR or even like this. My brother Rick was in the this storm. He served on the USS Ranger. So yeah, we're kind of going through, keeping stuff, going through the pockets, whatnot. And we got a couple bags ready to go. They're going out for Goodwill. That you just don't realize how much stuff you acquire. There's a lot of stuff in here that I'm like, well, he could got rid of this a long time ago. Start throwing some of my own stuff out. I would hate to stick my family with a bunch of crap in my office to throw out. I think it's just a wake-up call for the Gurk to start thinning out his own herd of mess. Do I need half the stuff? Nah. I sure don't want to end up like George Senda with a hoarder's nest and then telling people on my channel that I'm not hoarding. We gotta get rid of all the stuff behind me. All this has to go. Not to mention all the clothes. We've gone through how many bags now? We're gonna run out of bags. But hey, what can you do? It is what it is. Look at this mountain. What? Why? Hey, look, fairy picture, chat. Look at me. What is wrong with me, chat? What is wrong with that family? Oh, by the way, that dog, dead. In case you didn't know. I look like Fredo from Godfather. I'm smart. Not like they say, like dumb. I'm smart. Bags are packed. We are now heading to the Goodwill. I'm fine. I need to just turn it down for a second while we talk. All right, chat. This is my brother Dave. Dave, say hi to Dirk Nation. He's just as funny as I am, if not funnier. They tell me. So yeah, he's been helping out today. We've been doing it's really just a start. Clothes of the parents. We're now driving off to Goodwill. Get dropped off. You did dad's room, no problems. Did you find any cash?
No.
You found cash? Did you? Hey, you fucking hold me out, dude. How much you find, baby? How much you find?
You're high.
You know you found something, chat. We'll find out how much later on. Dude, buy a Lexus, dude. He works for the city.
Okay, county, that's why.
The county paid for it? All right.
Sure.
How's that pension plan looking these days? Nice?
Retired by 62.
Back here, donation. Oh yeah, it looks like it's open. Household linens there.
I don't know where he wants this.
Well, we'll stop right here. We'll get up and we'll ask some fools, man.
Clothes.
Back it up slowly. Come on, man, he can't read. You don't know how to pluck between the lines? Not bad.
That's what we did.
Yeah. Where are we putting that?
What do you have?
It's all linens. It's well, clothes. It's clothes. It's clothes. It's clothes.
Linens are blankets.
Yeah. I know. We got a lot of bags. Let's take a look at that.
That's okay.
That might be. That's fine.
So,
All of it. Everything's closed.
all right.
So I
got shoes.
there might be shoes in there.
Okay.
All right, he's gonna give us a receipt.
You go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
You have a good one, my man. All right. That's the Goodwill drop-off, my friends. It looks like we're going to head to Gilroy, pick up a car. Maybe it's stolen, maybe it's not. We don't know. It's not our business. We just got a call. Car's ready, whatever that means. We're off to Gilroy.
The dirt rolls up like he owns the street. Push scooter gleaming underneath his feet.
All right. Well, this is the car I'm driving back. Nice. I'm in a Lexus right now. It's a 2014 Lexus. It's a little bit ain't no 2001 Tacoma. There's no key. Just joking. So yeah, it's nice to drive back. I feel like, this is not the kind of luxury I'm used to, but it's not bad. What's up, lady? How you doing? Like my whip? What the hell's wrong? Yeah, so now I gotta drive this back to my parents' house. Well, actually, it's our house at this point, so whatever. Dad's house. So we're off. I ran out of space on the camera. Soon that'll be taken care of. We won't have that issue soon. But I want to thank everyone for coming by the channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification and the bell. My brother Dave was pretty cool today. We got some stuff taken care of. Like I said, all the clothes are gone that you saw. We donated them to Goodwill. We got a lot more to do. A lot. I mean, the clothes are just the start of it all. But it's a process. It's a process we got to work with. My brother called. He said, if you find the old Atari computers I used to have, no, put them aside. I want to take them back. I'm like, dude, my brother Dave's like, the computers? I'm like, he doesn't understand. When he went to the Navy, he gave the Atari 1200 XL to my cousin. It was 89. I remember because I was supposed to have that computer. He said before he went to the Navy, you can have this. I'll be in the Navy. I think I'll be needing it. And I was so stoked. I was in high school. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have my own computer and I'll be able to do my homework. It had a printer. It was great. And then when he left, I asked where his computer was at. And he's like, oh, he forgot. He promised it to me, and he gave it to my cousin at the time. So she got it. So I think it's kind of funny now. Like 30 years later, he's like, if you find it, yeah, it's not here, dude. The last time I know location-wise, it was in Vacaville. Yeah, I don't think we're going to find it. Anyways, chat, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon. I'm smart, not like they say.